at Raj NBF Maths channel, High School Maths. Today's topic is factorization in algebra. Welcome to all the viewers. We begin straight away with the topic. We first explain the SCF of algebraic quantities or terms. Now these two terms 12x and 36. Now their SCF is 12. See here the numerical part 12 and 36, SCF is 12 and literals only x is literal here and there is no literal here. In this example we see the SCF of numericals is 2 and that of literals y and xy, the SCF is y, so the SCF is 2y. Now there are three terms here. We can see the SCF is 10q. Now factorization by taking out common factors, SCF. Now this is an algebraic expression. We have to find its factors. We take out the highest common factor in the two terms, which is 7, and then put the balanced factors in the bracket. So we have got two factors, one is 7, the other is x minus 6. Now this is another algebraic expression, has two terms. We have taken out 5xy, the highest common factor of the two terms, and the factors which are left behind here is x and here it is y, and the minus sign in between. Next method is factorization by regrouping. Now this is an algebraic expression, has four terms, but there are no factors common in the four terms. What we do is that we regroup the terms, like we bring these two terms together and these two terms in another group. Here we can take x as common, highest common factor, and put the remaining factors in the bracket. Here we have taken 8 common factor and x plus y, the leftover factors, in the bracket. Now in these two terms, x plus y is a common factor. The left behind in the bracket is x here plus 8 here. Another example, this example expression has also four terms and there is nothing common in the four terms. So we regroup them into two groups. In this group we take the highest common factor 3x outside and the remaining factors are put in the bracket. Here in these two terms there is nothing common. We can say only one is common. So 5y minus 2 is put in the bracket. There is nothing here. That means it is 1 here. Because SCF of these two terms is 1, which we do not write. Now in these two terms 5y minus 2. So in these two terms the common is 5y minus 2 and the left over here is 3x and left over here is 1. So we have got two factors, 5y minus 2 and 3x plus 1. The next method is factorizing by using identities, algebraic identities. This is an expression where we have to factorize. We see here that 4x square can be written as 2x whole square and 9 can be written as 3 whole square. And this 12x can be split and written as this, 2 into 2x into 3. Now this whole thing falls into the pattern. You can see the identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So for these three terms we put here as 2x minus 3 whole square. So this expression has two factors, 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3. Another example here is 49p square minus 36. We can write it as 7p whole square and this as 6 square. Now we have an identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So this can be written as 7p plus 6, 7p minus 6. This expression has two factors, 7p plus 6 and 7p minus 6. There are other methods of factorization which we can discuss later. Meanwhile, I would my viewpoint is that you give your suggestions. What would you like to be given in the next video, and whether we should continue. We shall definitely continue with factorization and other methods, but you can also give topic which you would like to understand. Thank you very much for viewing the video.